Administering the right dose of drench is important to make sure the dose is effective and to avoid underdosing, which is a risk factor for resistance. Before use, it's important to check that your drench gun is accurate and is working correctly. Start by pressure checking your guns to check the integrity of the seals. To do this, seal the nozzle with a finger or thumb and attempt to depress the plunger. If you can, there is a fault with the gun. Next, calibrate the gun to ensure it's delivering an accurate dose. To do this, set the gun volume to, say, 10 mils and deliver 10 squirts into a measuring cylinder. Make sure you use drench and not water. Check that the dose is accurate. 10 squirts of 10 mils should give you 100 mils in the measuring cylinder. If your gun fails the pressure check or the calibration, it'll need a service. Ring the manufacturer for details. Before drenching, run your eye over the mob to assess the weight range. It can be difficult to accurately assess weights by eye, so weigh the first 10 or 20 animals through to make sure your estimation is close, and if it's not, adjust your dose accordingly. To orally drench a sheep, gently place the nozzle into the side of the mouth and over the back of the tongue. Depress the plunger to deliver the dose over the back of the tongue. To orally drench cattle, gently place the nozzle into the side of the mouth and deliver the drench over the back of the tongue. When drenching larger cattle, this may be easier with cattle in a head bale. Some people prefer to use a cattle hook to drench larger cattle in a race. The key points to remember are: pressure check and calibrate your drench gun prior to use. Weigh a few animals to make sure your estimation of weights is close. Gently place the nozzle into the side of the mouth to deliver drench over the back of the tongue. A cattle hook may make oral drenching of larger cattle easier.